We're about to start cooking. We've got the Blackstone fired up. We've got some cut up potatoes. We've got some ground beef and purple onions that we're going to make some smash burgers with. Blackstone's getting hot. We've got some cheese we're going to add to it, and Susan's making homemade buns. So let's get cooking. We've got the potatoes down and they are cooking. Added a little salt, pepper, and garlic to them. Turn them so that they don't stick. We'll add a little bit more oil because they are cooking pretty good, but they will take the longest. We're going to get these done and then go down with the burgers. All right, we've got purple onions on top of these. We've smashed these as well. And the fries are doing great. We're going to let these cook just a second. We're going to flip them and we're going to get these onions sauteed. We're going to flip them. Get that onion good and caramelized underneath. Those are just about done. Let's go ahead and smash these just a little bit. Get that onion good and caramelized and we'll plate these up. Susan made homemade buns and is making my burger. There's a double burger with pepper jack and homegrown spinach. And there's our potatoes. Let's give it a try. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We're about to enjoy this. This is one big burger. Susan fixed me up with a bunch of lettuce from our garden. Pickles. I've got 2 patties and pepper jack. That's good. We're going to enjoy this. Fries I did on the Blackstone as well. Good and done. Till next time, God bless.